All right, folks, we're here at the shop. We're going to do a trailer spindle here that's come in. It's burned out. Show you quickly. Outer bearings completely gone. Driver said that this has been an ongoing issue. He's had the bearings replaced several times. Keeps burning the bearings up. Finally, this time it took out the axle. We'll go through the process and I'll show you a little bit as we go and then a finished product. All right, so after we've cut off the bad spindle, we've machined the axle tube, getting it ready to take our bushing. This is the old axle spindle. You see the damage on it. This will be our new spindle, and this bushing here, we're going to remove it, and then we're going to machine this bushing to fit inside of the axle. All right, we're here at the back of the truck. We've got a lathe set up on a slide. It comes out of the back of the service truck. We'll chuck the bushing into the lathe. I've made an indication of what the bushing OD will need to be, and we'll cut it down and install it in the axle. All right, we've got our threaded bushing machined, put into the axle. You see we've got some holes cut in the tube. We'll plug weld our threads in place, and then we'll show you a bit more here in a minute. All right, now we've torqued the spindle into place. You can see our plug weld there in the back. Now we're going to come in and we're going to weld these two pieces together. I'd like to point out, when you machine the axle on these, it puts a true face on it, and then you have a true face on your spindle. And when you put the two together, you know you're straight and true to the part, and you'll be in alignment. All right, that's the job completed. Got it welded, and that's it. One more in the books.